How to add credit or debit card in Myer's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. If you are on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let's move into Google Chrome. In the source bar, you have to search for Myer's login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Once you are in here, first of all you need to log into your specific account. In order to do that, tap on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen, and once again click on Sign In. Then you have to enter your login credential, as in your user ID and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to Payment Method. In the section of Payment Method, you will be able to see the option of Add Credit or Debit Card. You have to click on it. One interface will pop up on your screen. You have to enter all the detailed information of your credit or debit card. Once you have entered all the details, tap on Save at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then your credit or debit card will be saved successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in Myer's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.